Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish, and if you are new on this channel, let me introduce you. I'm a front-end developer working in a product-based company, and in this video, I'm going to give you some useful tips which I personally followed when I was started learning. When I started learning HTML first time, and I will tell you some of the useful tips that you need to follow, and so that you don't feel that HTML is so hard. And okay, so let's learn by the code. Let's go to the VS Code. And if you are beginner, if you are absolute beginner to the HTML, there are the two things required to learn HTML: one, code editor, and a browser, because HTML runs on the browser. So whenever you run an index.html or file name.html, when you double click on that file, it will just open in the any browser if of your preference. It may be your Chrome, Firefox, or Mozilla. So how we create file for HTML? So this is the way. Let me show you my okay, let's switch the screen. So this is the VS Code, and here we will need one plugin, that is a live server, this plugin. But this is not necessary. You can, for now, you can just double click on the file created, HTML file created, and that will open in the browser. But the only bad thing is that you need to refresh each time you change the content of the HTML file, and that's why I recommend you install the live server, so that whenever you change the HTML file content, it automatically refreshes. So let me show you. I have created this learn.html file. Okay, I have created this learn.html file, and just forget about everything here. Whenever you start learning, just focus on the HTML tags like h1, h2, h3, p tag, what is button, what is link, how to create link, how to create paragraph, and how to create box, how to create list, table, how to create table. And if you learn like this, you will never feel that this is difficult, and you will never feel it's too difficult to understanding the tags of that and HTML file structure. So I will recommend that you don't go first for the HTML file syntax. You just learn the HTML tag. For example, I have to create heading. So how you can create? Just think like that. That how I can create the heading. What is the tag for heading? So you will search that how to create heading tag. So you will find that there are the 6 way to create heading, that is h1 to h6. So I create h1, and this is heading, and let me open this file with live server. There are the two ways. You can go to the file and right click and open with live server, or you can just click on this file and here go live. You can click on the go live and it will open in the browser. I clicked, it is starting the server, and it opened in the browser. So here you can see I have written the heading tag and it is displayed here. In the same way, just think if you are beginner, just think that how to create button कैसे create कर सकते हैं. So when you think that how to create button, you will find that there is a button tag to create button. So we will just use button. This is tag, and in middle of that the content will go just like the heading tag. You will say like in multiple website you have seen that save button or delete button. So in the same way, if I have to create save button, I can create save, just create button and add the text as save. And if I open here, you can see there is save, this is button. And same way, if I need to create a different button, I just use delete button, and you can see here the delete button is also created. And just again think how to create links, how link works in the web page. Just think about that, and just ask yourself that how to create link. Okay, so if you think that how to create link, you will find that there is a hyperlink tag, that is a tag, similar to the other tags. Okay, the a tag, and the link name will goes here, link text. Let's say www.myschool.com, and we need to give a href property that is called the attribute. Attribute means property. Here you will need to assign a value to tell the browser that when I click on the myschool.com, where it will go, on which URL it will go. So I need to mention here that it will go, and the link starts with https or with any other protocol. So you just need to mention the link here. It may be the https, it may be the mail to it may be any protocol or any type of URL. You need to put here, this is the https, I need to put like this. So if I go to the browser and refresh, and if I click on the myschool.com, it will go to the myschool.com. okay, let me format it. And in the same way, let's see that. And if you just like, as you are learning the HTML, you will think in your mind that how to create this page. And if you are beginner, you will think that how to create these tags, how to create this button, how to create this list. You will feel difficult that how to create this. So in this way, when you come and when you know, when this thought comes in your mind that how to build this. And one more way of checking website that how you can create that tag, just inspect that. If you want to curious, if you are curious about to know that how it is built, so you can see, if you want to build this and you don't know HTML, you just go and right click here and just do click on the inspect. You click on the inspect, just go to this arrow, and whatever you have to build, let's say I hope to build this heading, I click on this, and it will show that how it is built with which tag. You can see this is built with h2 tag, that is h2 heading. And let's say I find that how to create this, I will just select this and I will see it will show that it is created with li tag. okay, in the same way, you just curious about how this WhatsApp button is created, you just click on this, it will show that there is a div tag, and inside the div tag there is an svg, that is for as WhatsApp icon. So in such way you will have to recheck, you will have to check the website different UIs, that how that created with which element. So if you check like this, you will get a clear idea that how the things are created in the web page with which element. And you don't need to just learn the HTML structure in the first way, in the first time. First I will recommend that you just learn the every tag of HTML, not every tag first time. Just explore the most important tag that is often used in HTML web page, like heading, paragraph, button, link, list. And if go up with some other level, that comes form, how to create forms, how to create tabs. So in this way, this is the best way to learn HTML, because you will learn in the practical way. You are not going with tags to create UI, you going to create, you just curious about the UI, how this UI is created, and then you are going to search that what is the tag to build this UI. And when you learn in this way, you cannot forget the tags, because this creates a scene in your mind that how I created that scene, how I created that UI. So there is less chance that you will forget that tag, because you are connecting that tag with that UI. Same like that we were learning in the school and colleges, that we were connecting the question with an example, and we were not forgetting that so early. So I think this is the best way to learn HTML. okay, so you just complete in this way and let me know that how this tip is useful for you to learn HTML. And if you feel any difficulty to learn HTML, just comment down and I will reply. And you just contact me on the HTML, via WhatsApp also. Here you can go to the frontendzone.com, and if you have any doubts, you can click on the WhatsApp button. You can just clear your doubt with me. okay, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye, thanks for watching.